5-star reading streak is officially over. It was a good 3 books. However, this one just didn't do it for me, so this is my 4-star review of Suicide Notes from Beautiful Girls by Lynn Weingarten. Now, don't get me wrong, this book was absolutely fantastic. It is a YA contemporary mental health related book. I did a ton of tabbing in it. There were so many good parts that I absolutely loved. However, the more I read, the more I was left with unanswered questions, to the point that I think I may reread this book and see if there's anything I missed. This book shows the importance of true friendship, and it also shows the real struggles of mental health related topics. Like I said, it was a fantastic book, but for me, it was just 4 stars. Summary wise, it is 2 best friends, and Delia supposedly unalives themselves, and that is what everyone around them believes. And it is her best friend, June, who is on a mission to prove that it was not an unalive attempt and to get answers as to what really happened. This book also does have a romancy aspect to it, which is definitely not really my thing, but it was definitely a really cute high school romance that was worth reading about. And like I said, overall, it was a fantastic book and definitely one I would recommend to everyone, especially if you like YA contemporary books.